Meaning of diminuendo.
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 Diminuendo. Diminuendo is a musical term that indicates a gradual decrease in volume or intensity. It is usually denoted by the abbreviation dim or a symbol resembling an elongated arrow pointing downwards. The result of a diminuendo is a gradual softening of the sound, which is achieved by either decreasing the force with which the instrument is played or by reducing the number of instruments playing at once. The effect can create a mood of subtlety, intimacy, or calmness and can be used to transition between different sections of the music.